Pintu is making waves as a crypto exchange app in Indonesia, but is it really the best option for trading? Let's dive into what this platform offers and whether it's worth your time and money. Pintu aims to simplify cryptocurrency trading for users in Indonesia. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, which is a big plus for beginners. You can easily buy and sell a variety of cryptocurrencies, and they even offer educational resources, which is a nice touch for those just starting out. However, while the app does have a sleek design, some features could use more clarity. For instance, the trading fees aren't as transparent as one might hope. Additionally, while it supports several popular cryptocurrencies, the selection feels somewhat limited compared to larger global exchanges. The intended audience seems to be casual traders and newcomers, but I wonder if more experienced users might find it lacking in advanced features. Overall, Pintu does a decent job at making crypto accessible, but there are definitely areas that could be clearer. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Pintu's user-friendly interface and educational resources make it great for beginners. The app also offers local currency support, which is a significant advantage for Indonesian users. On the downside, the lack of advanced trading features might frustrate seasoned traders. Additionally, the somewhat vague information on trading fees could raise some eyebrows. Trust is crucial in the crypto space, and I feel that more transparency would help build confidence in the platform. Also, for users looking to trade a broader range of cryptocurrencies, Pintu may not meet those needs. Overall, it seems to cater best to casual traders, while those looking for a robust trading experience might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Pintu is a solid choice for those new to cryptocurrency trading in Indonesia thanks to its user-friendly approach. However, if you're an experienced trader seeking advanced features and detailed fee structures, you might want to look elsewhere. It's worth trying, but just be sure to weigh your options carefully.